feel like I'm so far behind on maintenance. It's crazy. This is 2022 Kawasaki ZX14r. It's stock. I don't know why. You gotta take this for a ride. I'm behind on maintenance. I'm at 7861, and I need the oil. I gotta do the whole maintenance, whatever it costs. We have to do the maintenance. I know it says we should change the spark plugs, so yeah, we'll have to be. We have to do that soon, but guys, I mean, if you're looking for a bike, I mean, once you get riding on this, then I mean, you don't feel the weight. I'm not sure about the flickability because I never had, I mean, a big difference in weight, but this is just a pleasure to ride. But we gotta get caught up on the maintenance, so that's gonna be soon. Changing the spark plugs. You'll see how that goes. You'll see how that goes.